So now let's see how we can insert page numbers and page count here inside of our document. So to insert page number and page count, you simply go into insert and over here you go to page numbers. So here you can click on this option and the page number is added on the top right, just like that, as you can see, and page number is there. You want to add it in bottom right, you can go to insert right here, then go to page number, click on this, and it's added onto the bottom right. You can left align this by clicking on left align and page number goes onto the left side, as you can see, and after each page there's a count of the page number. This is what we want. If you want to add in the total number of pages right over here, then you can also click on insert and then you can go to page number, click on page count. So now we know that this document is a total of 6 pages, just like this, as you can see right there. That is how you can insert out the page count as well. So if you were to go to page number right here, you can see right here, there's 2 more options right here. So if I were to remove this page number count right here and remove this one out as well. So let's just go over here, double click and then remove this. So let's see how we work. So we go to insert right here and then we go to page number and then we click on this. The page number is not inserted on one, but what happens is that it automatically turns on the different first page and starts the page count 1 from right over here. You can also do the same right here by going into page number, clicking on this one, and in this case the page number is added on the bottom and then the different first page is actually enabled out. And that is how you can insert page numbers and page count inside of Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.